Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix logging in CapCut Mobile. So if ever you experience logging when you try to play or when you press this play button here in your CapCut, what you're going to do here first is of course you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your CapCut application. So let's just say I want to create a new project. I want to edit my video here in my CapCut application. However, somewhere along the video, I have encountered some lags. Like when I try to play this one, along this part right here, it doesn't play or it's lag. So let's just say if this part is not really necessary or you can just simply delete this one, then I recommend you to split the video and just delete the area or the part that is lag. For example, this part right here, just tap split, click this video and then tap delete. And as you can see, if that video is not really necessary, then it will play the video smoothly. However, if after doing this, you still encounter a log problem, then what you're going to do here is to just simply exit your CapCut application. And this time you have to go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone. So go to Google Play Store and then search for CapCut and make sure that this one is up to date, or if you see the update button, what you're going to do is you have to click update and you need to update this CapCut application. If after you update and you open your CapCut and still you encounter some logs, then what you're going to do is you have to uninstall this application and reinstall it again. To do that, you just have to long press CapCut, tap uninstall, click on install again, go back to your Google Play Store, reinstall application, and then see if this method works. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.